The night was peaceful, too peaceful. Seoul slept under a velvet sky, and the moon hung low, glowing like a silver lantern. Rumi yawned as she scrolled through messages on her phone. So, no new demons, no broken amps, no space queens to rescue? Zoey smirked. You say that like it's a bad thing. Mira smiled, plucking softly at her crystal keyboard. Maybe the universe is finally resting. Just then, the moonlight flickered. The glow dimmed, like someone turned down the brightness of the sky itself. Mira's fingers froze mid-note. Did the moon just blink? From outside the window came a faint hum like someone whispering a lullaby on the wind. It was beautiful but strange, almost too soft to hear. Rumi tilted her head. That's a song. Zoey checked her sensors. Source unknown, frequency untraceable. It's like it's coming from, Mira finished softly, the moon. The three exchanged a look. Rumi grabbed her jacket. All right, Moonlight Mystery Mission it is. They followed the melody through the city until they reached an old park, forgotten and overgrown. In the center was a gate covered in glowing vines. A silver crescent was carved into the top, pulsing faintly to the rhythm of the song. Zoey pressed her hand to it. The vines shimmered and parted, opening into a long, winding path lined with softly glowing flowers. Rumi gasped. It's a garden made of moonlight. Mira whispered, awestruck, the moon garden. They stepped inside. Every flower emitted a different tone, bells, hums, gentle chimes together forming a living symphony. Mira reached out and brushed one of the petals. It sang a clear, sweet note that echoed through the air. It's like walking through a lullaby, Zoey said softly, but Rumi frowned. Then why does it sound sad? The deeper they walked, the dimmer the flowers became. The melody twisted from gentle harmony to slow, haunting hums. At the heart of the garden, they found a massive moonflower wilted, its petals drooping. From its center rose a figure cloaked in silver threads. Lunara, the spirit of the moon garden. She looked weak, her light flickering. The moon's song is fading, Lunara whispered. A dark lullaby is spreading, one born from forgotten dreams. It steals music from the night. Rumi clenched her mic. Then we'll bring the melody back. Zoey nodded. We just need to find the source of the corruption. Mira looked up. Listen the whispers. Soft voices floated through the air, whispering words of doubt and sadness. They came from shadowy vines snaking across the flowers' dark, pulsing threads. They're feeding on lonely dreams, Mira realized. Zoey frowned. So we fight shadows with sound. The girls took their places. Mira's fingers danced across her keys, creating a soft harmony like rippling moonlight. Rumi joined with her bright, hopeful voice clear and steady. Zoey synced her rhythm pad, sending shimmering beats pulsing through the vines. The darkness hissed and recoiled, but then it fought back. The lullaby grew louder, almost angry, twisting their notes into dissonance. The ground trembled. Rumi's song faltered. It's too strong, Mira winced. It's trying to drown us out. But Zoey's eyes narrowed. Then we turn it up. She slammed her hand on the console, amplifying their music. Dream boost on! The rhythm pulsed brighter. Mira's harmonies swirled like shooting stars, and Rumi lifted her mic, voice rising higher than ever before. Wake up the night, Let the stars ignite, our hearts will shine through endless light. The shadow vines shattered one by one. The dark lullaby broke apart, replaced by waves of golden sound. The moonflower slowly lifted its petals, glowing brighter and brighter until the entire garden shimmered like liquid silver. Lunara smiled faintly, her form solidifying. "You've restored the song," she said softly. "The moon will dream again." Rumi wiped her brow. "Phew, you weren't kidding about peaceful nights being dangerous." Zoey laughed. "At least it wasn't another giant demon." Mira looked around, her eyes warm. "Maybe it was just the world asking to be heard." Lunara stepped forward, gifting them each a glowing pendant shaped like a crescent. "These hold a fragment of moonlight, a reminder that even the quietest song can change the dark." The girls bowed as the garden's light wrapped around them, carrying them back to the park gate. When they opened their eyes, dawn had arrived. The moon was fading into the morning sky, and the flowers of the park glowed faintly in the sunlight. Rumi smiled. "We actually saved the moon's music." Zoey stretched. "And all before breakfast." Mira giggled softly. "Maybe next time we'll get a vacation." Above them, the faint melody of the moon garden drifted on the wind, peaceful, pure, and full of promise. "Even in silence, our song will remain whispering light through the dark and the rain."